Hello everyone. Today we are going to go through counting values, which is a problem on the implementation section of algorithm on HackerRank. So without wasting time, let us have a look on the problem statement. Okay, so here's the problem statement. Before reading the problem statement, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, I really encourage you to subscribe to do not miss the set of video we are doing here, because we are really on our way to doing a lot of video on problem solving and competitive programming. So don't forget to subscribe to be part of the journey. Okay, so I won't read this problem statement line by line, but I will kind of state what the situation is. So what we have here, we have an array of parts, and the parts are D or U for down and for up. And you can see a representation here. And what we are supposed to do is you are supposed to count the number of values. And what is the definition of a value here? A value is a sequence of consecutive steps below the C, starting with a step down from the C and ending with a step up to C level. So, okay, let's assume we are starting here. This is an example. We have an up, which is U. Up, we have down, D, which is down, down, down. A value is actually a sequence of consecutive steps below the C. You can see that here is a sequence of step below the C. We have this, and N here. So this can be considered as a value. So now we are fully aware of what a value is. How are we going to approach this? So solving this is counting the number of value is actually counting the number of up step that is reaching you or that is leading you to the C level. If you have an up sequence that is actually leading you to the C level, then it can be counted as a value. Now, after that, you can have another subsequence of step. If you have another leading you to the C level, that can be counted as a value. This is a clearly example of how the situation can be represented. Now, how are we going to solve that? At the beginning, we can create a variable that we call level, that will be 0. And now whenever we are going up, we increment the level. Whenever we are going down, we decrement the level. And if you find ourselves going up and having a level of 0, then we can count it as a value. So the implementation will look like this. I'll have 2 int. I'll have my first int, that will be my result, that will start at 0. And I will have the level that will also start at 0. So now I will loop through the path. So I'll loop through the path, and for each of the path, I'm gonna check if the path is actually equal to a up. What I will do is that, okay, I will say level plus plus, and I'll say if the level is actually equal to 0, then I'm gonna increment my result. Now, yeah, otherwise, so I can just say if, or I can say else. If the character is actually equal to a down, so I just need to say level minus to decrement, and then here I can return the level. I can return my result. So let us run this and see what it gives. I hope the approach is clear for you. So if you are going up, and after going up, you are at level 0, so you are on the C level, you can count it as a value. So let us submit and see what it gives. You have everything green, everything clean. Yeah, since I put an if here, you can feel free to have an else here, and you don't even check. You can just say an else here. It will also work, because in the part here, we are sure that the part is only U and G. So this is up to you, but that was my approach of solving this. I hope it is clear for you. Feel free to leave me a message in the comment section if you have something you want to share with me related to this. See you on the next video. Ciao.